Very good morning, children. Let us talk about the next part of this chapter, that is combination. Combination is not a big difference than permutation. I would say that combination is a special case of permutation. If I talk about permutation, it was arrangement of objects. When I was talking about permutation, it was arrangement of objects. Okay, arrangement of objects. So when I say arrangement of objects, AB and BA, both arrangements were considered to be different. AB एक possible case था, BA was second different case. So both were counted as different cases because we were talking about the places of the objects. But when we talk about combination, it is noted by C. Combination is nothing but selection of objects. Combination is selection of objects, and in this case AB and BA are same entity. Whether I take AB or I take BA, both means same thing. So what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to remove the duplicacy in combination. जो हम डबल काउंट कर रहे थे परम्यूटेशन में, that I am supposed to delete from combination. Why? Excuse me. Now suppose I have 3 red balls. Or I'll say 3 black balls and 2 red balls. Okay. I want to select the balls. Now when I talk about selecting the balls, it doesn't matter whether I select the first ball, second ball or third ball. Whether I take this black or this black. All are black. So your order doesn't matter. ठीक है? मतलब this, I cannot say that this is my first black ball, this is my second black ball. These are black balls. These are red balls. If somebody asks me to select black, somebody asks me to select red, I'll pick up any red or I'll pick up any black. I'll not take care of the order कि पहला black निकालना है कि दूसरा black निकालना है कि तीसरा black निकालना है. Okay, getting it? So here, if I talk about combination, it is written as NCR. Selecting R objects. I'm telling selecting R objects from N objects. It comes out to be NPR upon R factorial. So permutation के some cases I am removing it. So what I am doing? I am dividing permutation by R factorial. So when I divide permutation by R factorial, I am deleting these two different things and I am counting them as 1. Okay? Now if I open this bracket, I will get NCR as N factorial N minus R factorial whole upon R factorial. So R factorial will come here. So the definition of NCR or formula is N factorial upon N minus R factorial upon R factorial. Okay, we'll deal with word problems later on. First part will focus only on these sums. How to find NCR, that will be our major task. Okay, so let us talk about some standard functions. If I say NC0 क्या होता है? So by formula क्या आएगा? N factorial upon N minus R factorial. That is N minus 0 factorial. So N minus 0 factorial into R factorial. R factorial कितना है? 0. So it comes out to be N factorial. 0 factorial कितना होता है? 1. So ये N factorial cut. So I am getting NC0 as 1. What I am getting? My first property NC0 is 1. NC0 is 1. And second, if I talk about NC1, NCR क्या होता है? N factorial N minus R factorial R factorial. करेक्ट? दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है? न्यूमरेटर. उसको ओपन किया n इंटू n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1, so n minus 1, n minus 1 cancel. So what I am getting, nc1 is n. क्या मिला मुझे, nc1 is n. Understood? The third one, ncn. What is the formula of ncn? क्या आएगा, n factorial, n minus n 0 factorial और ये n factorial. So again n factorial cut, 0 factorial is nothing but 1. What I am getting, ncn is 1. ठीक है, I am getting ncn as 1. Some special cases, nc0 is 1, nc1 is n, and ncn is 1. Okay, either remember this or you should know how to derive it in your exam. Okay, these are very important. They are called as binomial coefficients. क्या बोलते हैं इनको हम, binomial coefficients. We'll learn in detail in the next upcoming chapter. Okay, any doubts till here? So let's start exercise 3.6. We'll understand how to solve the sums based on NCR. So it is 15C4. I'll teach you by formula also. I'll teach you shortcut method also. 15C4. क्या बोला है? 15C4. So by formula, I can write this as 15 factorial. 15 factorial. 15 minus 4. कितना आएगा 15 minus 4? 11. So this 15 minus 4 का factorial into r factorial. That is 15 factorial. ये हो जाएगा 11 factorial, 4 factorial. Correct? Now I can open the numerator. So I'll get 15 into 14, 13, 12. I'll stop at 11. ये भी 11 factorial और ये 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct? So what I can do? I can cut this 11 factorial, 11 factorial. So 4, 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 7s are 14. What I am getting? 15 into 7, that is 105 into 13. Whatever answer you get, that you can write. Okay? Now let us go for shortcut method. Okay? Shortcut method कैसे आएगा? So I am writing a shortcut. So करना क्या है basically? It is 15C4. Now 15 is the numerator, 4 is my denominator. क्योंकि 4 नीचे है, 15 ऊपर है. तो करना क्या है? 15 को 4 बार रिड्यूस करना है. 15 को 4 बार रिड्यूस करना है. So 15, 14, 13, 12. Whatever is number is there in the base over here, that many numbers have to reduce 15. तो मैंने 15 को 4 times reduce किया. I am getting 15, 14, 13, 12. Divide by 4 को, whatever is the number, reduce that number 4 times. 4 को जितना number है उतना reduce करो और start from 4, reach till 1. So if you see, both will give me the same answer. 15C4 बोला है, 15 को 4 बार reduce करो, 4 को 4 बार reduce करो. ठीक है? I'll take one more example. 9C5. You all think? I'll erase the board. What is 9C5? क्या करेंगे? 9C5 है तो 9 को कितनी बार reduce करेंगे? 5 times reduce करेंगे. How many times I'll reduce 9? I'll reduce 9 5 times. So क्या आएगा? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. है ना? क्या आएगा? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 9 को 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by this 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now once you calculate, you will get the answer. Understood? Okay. Later on हम ये use करेंगे shortcut. Initially I will be doing only on this formula method का sum. ठीक है? Are you getting it? Yes. So you can try third one. 13C2. Come on, think over it. 13C2 का आंसर क्या आएगा? Let's see. Very simple. I have given you. Yes. 13C2. Okay. You all write the answer. Let me discuss the second part. 80C2. क्या करना है? 80C2. By formula, this will become 80 का factorial, 80 minus 2, 78 factorial और 2 का 2 factorial. Correct? So again 80 बड़ा है as usual. I'll expand 80. So 80 into 79 into 78 factorial पे stop करेंगे. So 78 factorial cut. And this 2 40s है ना. So आंसर आएगा 79 into 40. You will multiply and you will write the answer like this. Whatever answer you get, 80C2 is equal to whatever you get. ठीक है? Let's move on to next. 15C4. Okay. Question 2. It is 15C4 plus 15C5. Addition of two combinations. So let us see that. ये आएगा 15 factorial. 15 minus 4 is 11 factorial. 4 factorial. Similarly, ये आएगा 15 factorial. 15 minus 5 is 10 factorial and 5 factorial. If you remember, हमने ऐसा सम last time किया था permutation में. So to make it easy, I will take 15 factorial common from numerator. This can be written as 11 into 10 factorial into 4 factorial. ये हो जाएगा 10 factorial into 5 into 4 factorial. Correct? Now again what I can do, I can take this 4 factorial, 10 factorial common. बाहर निकाल सकता हूँ मैं इसको. So remove outside. 15 factorial upon 10 factorial 4 factorial. What is left? 1 upon 11 plus 1 upon 5. Correct? So cross multiply करेंगे कितना आएगा? 5 plus 11 16. ये हो जाएगा 16 into 15 factorial 10 factorial 4 factorial 11 into 5. 11 into 5. ओपन करेंगे 16 into 15 14 13 12 11. I'll stop at 10 क्योंकि नीचे 10 फैक्टोरियल है. 4 फैक्टोरियल हो जाएगा 4 3 2 1 into 11 into 5. Correct? Now mere calculations have to do. 10 factorial cut. 4 3s are 12 cut. 11 cut. You can say 5 3s are 15. 2 7s are 14. तो आंसर आएगा 16 into 21 into 13. You will multiply and write the answer. Okay? Yes. Now next we have 20C16. It is 20C16 minus 19C16. 20C16 minus 19C16. Later on देखेंगे how to avoid these steps and write the answer in as easiest way. Okay? So क्या आएगा? 20 factorial upon 16 factorial 4 factorial. यह आएगा 19 factorial 16 factorial 3 factorial. I will not solve this sum. This you will solve on your own क्योंकि इसी का रेप्लिका है ये. इसी का रेप्लिका है. Only there is minus sign. Okay? खाली क्या है वहां पर? Minus sign है. Getting it? Okay. Now comes the interesting sums. Find n. You have to find n if It is given that 6p2 is given that 6p2 is equal to n times 6c2. 6p2 is equal to n times 6c2, and the second is 2nc3 is to nc2 is equal to 52 is to 3. Okay, ठीक है. Let us look at that sum now. 6p2 का फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? Okay, again we can do some good tricks over here. Since दोनों सेम है, I'll keep 6p2 as it is. N. What is 6c2? We know that NCr is nothing but NPR upon R factorial. We had learned the formula today. NCR is nothing but NPR upon R factorial. तो मैंने वही लिखा है, NCR is NPR upon R factorial. Yes, so cut. बहुत easy हो गया है तो. So what I'm getting, n upon 2 factorial as 1. Therefore n is equal to 2 factorial. Hence my n becomes 2. कितना आ रहा है मेरा n? 2. Understood? Yes. Let us solve the third one first. It is n c n minus 3 is equal to 84. n c n minus 3 is equal to 84. नॉर्मल मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे डेफिनेशन का. n फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 3 का फैक्टोरियल इंटू n माइनस 3 का फैक्टोरियल. कितना है? 84. करेक्ट. इफ यू सी दिस n कैंसिल हो गया, माइनस इंटू माइनस कितना हो गया? प्लस. सो हो जाएगा n फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 3 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल्स 84. न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है, सो आई एक्सपांड दैट न्यूमरेटर. सो n फैक्टोरियल हो जाएगा n माइनस 1 n माइनस 2. आई विल स्टॉप एट 3. यू नो व्हाई आई एम स्टॉपिंग एट 3. कट. 3 फैक्टोरियल कितना होता है? 6 यहां जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? n माइनस 1 n माइनस 2. 3 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स है, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है, तो मुझे यहां भी 3 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स चाहिए इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. कैसे लिखोगे? 84 है, 84 इज 12 7 सा और 3 2 सा कितना होता है? 6. तो इसको लिखेंगे 12 को 4 3 सा. यू आर राइटिंग कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स. हाउ विल यू राइट? सो हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 2. Correct? So think over it. 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 9 and 7. So it can be written as 9 8 7. Since both the brackets are equal, left and right side, descending order consecutive numbers, descending order consecutive numbers. Therefore my n should be how much? 9. How much my n should be? 9. कितना आएगा n? 9. Okay, clear? So please copy it and try to solve the third part. Okay, the second sum, that is it is 2nc3. It is the ratio. So first I'll convert ratio in terms of division. Am I right? I'll convert ratio in terms of division. So what will I get? It is 2nc3 upon nc2 52 by 3. Let us expand the LHS by normal definition. ये क्या आएगा? 2n factorial 2n minus 3 factorial 3 factorial upon n factorial n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 3 14 सॉरी नहीं 52/3 ओनली, सॉरी। ठीक है, क्लियर। थोड़ा शॉर्टकट मारूंगा मैं, ये 2 फैक्टोरियल और ये 3 का फैक्टोरियल कट हो जाएगा, आई कैन डू दैट। अब ऊपर वाले को एक्सपांड करेंगे, 2n माइनस 1, 2n माइनस 2, 2n माइनस 3 का फैक्टोरियल, ये 2n माइनस 3 का फैक्टोरियल इनटू ये ऊपर चला जाएगा, सो n माइनस 2 का फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n फैक्टोरियल क्या आएगा, n माइनस 1, n माइनस 2 का फैक्टोरियल। लिटिल बिट फास्ट आई एम गोइंग बिकॉज यू नो हाउ टू एक्सपांड दीज टर्म्स, वी हैव लर्नड इन परम्यूटेशन। ठीक है, so ये कट, ये और ये कट, n 2s are 2n, n minus 1, 2s are 2n minus 1, 2, करेक्ट। आ रहा है समझ में? 2 4, 4 1s are 4, 3s are 12, करेक्ट। इट्स परफेक्ट। क्या क्या बच गया अभी? व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 3 times 2n minus 1 is equal to 13. So 6n minus 3 is equal to 13. 6n, wait, something is wrong somewhere. I think somewhere the question is wrong. No, ये 3 रह गया ना, हाँ ये 3 रह गया था, देखो this 3 is left, so ये 3 और ये 3 भी गया, this 3 is not there. Okay, sorry for mistake. So 2n is equal to 14, n आएगा 7. How did I come to know that there is a mistake? Because I got the answer as fraction, which is impossible in terms of the counting of objects. Okay. Okay. Next one, children. There is a printing mistake in the textbook. Find R. It should be 14C. 2R is to 10C. 2R minus 4. 143 is to 10. Again similar problem, still we'll do it. Okay, and then the next one is very important. Next two sums very important. It is NPR is given as 720 and NCN minus R is given as 120. And then the most favorite sum of the examiner, let it be JEE mains and all, or any competitive, NCR minus 1 is to NCR plus 1, 20 is to 35 is to 42. ठीक है? हाँ. So again I'll take ratio and I'll expand it directly also. Okay? कि आपको आता है अभी 14 फैक्टोरियल, ये आएगा 14 माइनस 2r का फैक्टोरियल, ये 2r का फैक्टोरियल, ये रेशियो इनटू में हो जाएगा, तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज दैट? 2r माइनस 4 का फैक्टोरियल, और ये आएगा 10 माइनस 2r माइनस 4 का फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 10 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 143/10. ठीक है? Now we need to expand many things. 14 फैक्टोरियल को लिखेंगे 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है? ये 10 प्लस 4 कितना हो जाएगा? 14. दिस पार्ट विल बिकम, सॉरी, ये जो पार्ट है 10, दिस विल बिकम 14 माइनस 2r का फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है? So I'll cut this and this directly. ठीक है? Try to understand the step. 2r minus 4 factorial I'll keep as it is. 10 factorial भी as it is रखता हूँ. I'll expand 2r. 2r को expand किया तो 2r minus 1, 2r minus 2, 2r minus 3, 2r minus 4 into 10 factorial, correct? 143/10. ठीक है? क्या क्या कट होगा? ये 10 फैक्टोरियल सॉरी 2r minus 4 2r minus 4 करेक्ट 13 1 जा 11 जा 11 cut. So let us write what is left. Something that is left is 14 into 12 into 10 2r minus 1 2r minus 2 2r minus 3. अगर 2r को if I assume a तो a minus 1 a minus 2 a minus 3 डिसेंडिंग में कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स आएंगे. यस डिसेंडिंग में कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर्स कितने नंबर्स चाहिए 4. यहाँ पर भी कितने आने चाहिए 4. So let us write 7 2s are 6 2s are 5 2s are 2 3. क्या आ जाएगा 8 7 6 5 करेक्ट. This will become 8 7 6 5. Nothing but 2r minus 1 2r minus 2 2r minus 3. Comparison किया my 2r should be equal to 8. Therefore my r should be 4. What will be my r? R आएगा 4. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna very bad line. Let's solve this now. NPR क्या होता है? Yes. Let us write NPR only. NPR is given as 720. इसको कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Let us expand this. NCR क्या होता है? NCR is n factorial upon n minus r का factorial into n minus r factorial is equal to 120. Correct? प्रैक्टिकली ये n और ये n कट हो जाएगा. क्या बचेगा r फैक्टोरियल. क्या बचेगा r फैक्टोरियल. That is n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial 120. Now you know that this part is nothing but NPR. इसी को NPR बोलते हैं ना. n factorial upon n minus r factorial. तो NPR हो गया. So NPR upon r factorial 120 मतलब 5 factorial. NPR कितना है 720. So 720 upon r factorial is equal to 120. So 120 6 so r factorial कितना है 6. अब अगर r factorial 6 है that is r factorial is 3 factorial. ये 6 का मतलब ही 3 फैक्टोरियल है. Therefore my r comes out to be 3. कितना आएगा मेरा r 3. Understood? Now this one is one of my favorite sum. I will definitely ask in the upcoming test whenever the test is scheduled. दो ratios दिए हैं. So I'll take this as 1. I'll take this as 1. Okay? So let me divide it into two parts. हम दो रेशियो एक साथ लेंगे. सारा एक साथ लेके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So I'll write this as NCR minus 1 upon NCR as 20 by 35. दूसरा रेशियो लेंगे NCR plus 1 35 by 42. हमें n और r फाइंड करना है. दो अननोन्स है. So I should have two equations. Let us solve them and get it. ये क्या आएगा n फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r माइनस 1 का फैक्टोरियल r माइनस 1 का फैक्टोरियल. थोड़ा शॉर्टकट मारूंगा. ये डेफिनेशन ही है, सिर्फ उल्टा लिखना है. क्या आएगा r फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल n फैक्टोरियल 20 by 35. ठीक है. Now to make your understand easy, I'll cut something shortcuts. Okay? तो देखो ये r का फैक्टोरियल r माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल कट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि r का मतलब ही क्या होता है r इंटू r माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल. तो वो कट कर दिया. n कट कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है. Yes. So what is left? n minus r factorial. ये हो जाएगा n minus r plus 1 का factorial. 20 by 35. That is 5 4s are 5 7 35. इसको ओपन करेंगे, ये बड़ा है ना, देखो n माइनस आर दोनों के पास है, ये बड़ा है, इसको ओपन किया, अगेन आई कट डायरेक्टली नाउ, इसको ओपन किया तो क्या आएगा, n माइनस आर प्लस 1 इंटू n माइनस आर का फैक्टोरियल, तो ये फैक्टोरियल और ये भी कट हो गया. इन शॉर्ट मुझे मिला 4n माइनस 4r प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 7. देयरफॉर 4n माइनस 4r is equal to 3. My equation number 1. You try, if you are not getting it, open the brackets, आपको यही आंसर मिलेगा. ठीक है. Just to make your understanding more faster, I have done some shortcuts. कि JEE Mains competitive में will not get that time. Okay. Let's open this. ये आएगा n factorial, definition ही है r factorial. This will go up. So n minus r plus 1 का फैक्टोरियल, r प्लस 1 का फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n फैक्टोरियल. 7 5 7 6. ठीक है. तो देखो ये और ये कट, ये r प्लस 1 का फैक्टोरियल और r फैक्टोरियल कट, क्योंकि r प्लस 1 फैक्टोरियल क्या होता है, r प्लस 1 इंटू r फैक्टोरियल. ओके. देन लेट अस थिंक अबाउट दिस नाउ. ये क्या है, n माइनस आर माइनस 1 का फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल r प्लस 1 5 by 6. इसको ओपन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये बड़ा है, इसको ओपन किया तो ये और ये कट हो जाएगा. यस. ओके. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 6r प्लस 6 5n माइनस 5r. That is 5n minus 11r is equal to 6. दो इक्वेशन है आपके पास, दोनों को साइमल्टेनियस सॉल्व करो. Also check I have not made any mistakes. Simultaneous solve करो, you'll get the value of n and r. Okay. Now few sums. That is question number 6 and 7. You will try on your own because they have similar category. In the next class we'll see the word problems. How to deal with the word problems in the case of combination. It is much easy and very interesting. Okay. Thank you.